Infantix! Singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn how to make the vowels. And we have all these colors. To make the letter A, I will use the color red. This is the color red. Make a stroke up, then make another stroke down like this. Is this it? What is missing? Ah, I remember now. A line in the middle. Just look at that. It's the letter A. Now we are going to use the color green. This is the color green. To make the letter E, draw a line down. Now draw a line at the top and one in the middle. Look at that, it's the letter F. How do I make the letter E? Of course, add a line at the bottom. Very good. This is the letter E. Now we are going to use the color purple. This is the color purple. We are going to make the letter I. And how do we make the letter I? The letter I is just making a line. It's very easy. This is the letter I. Now I'm going to use the color pink. This is the color pink. Now let's make the letter O. How do I make the letter O? I know, it's just making a circle. It's very easy. This is the letter O. With the color brown, I'm going to make the letter U. This is the color brown. To make the letter U... Oh yeah, let's draw a smile. A nice big smile. Very good, my friends. That's the letter U. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Kisses, kisses, kisses. See you later.